Alright y'all, so we're here. Obviously we made it to Juan's house.
Out in fucking buttfuck nowhere.
We're about to light off some bangers. Because we're about to light off some bangers. We're about to drop a banger. Say. You hear that big ass boat fly?
I heard that. A goat or something.
Goat fly.
Goat ye.
Go ye! I turned around after he was there. He's like,
painted on the wall.
he's painted on the wall.
So you're gonna use that to launch them?
So basically, I got a big one. I got this bottle rocket.
We're gonna see if they pop.
We're gonna see if the bottle rocket. Okay, so we do the bottle rocket first.
Yeah.
To get it out of the
do
way.
that one
Okay.
first.
Save the best for last. We got the big. This shit looks like an M80. How the fuck is this gonna fly, bro? All right. Guess they know what they're doing.
Oh, what if people will know where I live by seeing my road?
Get in my car, bitch ass fly. This fly's gonna lay eggs on my eyes.
Fucking on your eyes. Strap that fucking fly to the bottle rocket. Let's go catch one and tape it on it.
He wakes up high on it.
He's like, ah, what's going on?
Fucking
This sick old
the
death.
fucking little sparks from the fuse are flying on his head. So,
He's all burning on the way up.
so the question for this one is,
Will it
we're
pop?
gonna pop a few, so
Oh.
shit better fucking.
I know, that's what I was saying. It comes right at us.
Woo, that was sick. That was weak.
That's alright.
I'm actually disappointed, guys. Obviously, that means Juan ain't gonna buy shit.
Like, shit's expensive out here. How crazy, yeah.
Shit's expensive for you to just go and pay $10
Like-
for a firework that don't want to sound
But like,
loud.
it's expensive to just burn money.
You're literally burning.
It's like,
you might as well sound sick.
right?
Alright,
Like,
guys.
that's why it's like, fuck.
This
20
is-
bucks should have at least popped. Yeah.
It's
Hella loud. It's like,
I should have had these pops. Do you still want to buy them?
but like, it's just powder.
He's like,
Come
nah,
on.
I'm gonna go check them out.
Oh, this will probably be loud, huh?
Fucking wind, Matt.
Do it, bro. It's calming down. I feel it calming down.
I don't want it to like burn me.
Come on, bro. You never pop fireworks. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Bro. Woo, that was sick.
That was loud. Oh, you fucker. Hey, I didn't see like sparks or anything though. Or is it too dark? It's too daylight?
Yeah.
I thought I would see something. I didn't see shit.
You didn't see it?
No, I just seen a pop. It just looked like a pop to me.
To me, it's
Maybe it's because I was looking through the camera.
To me, it looked like a double Mercedes symbol.
Looking like ammo, huh?
Looking like a Rambo. Say.
Did one just fall off?
Drop the fucking. Oh no.
Eee, it's gonna get too hot in here and pop.
It's gonna pop in my car.
I just driving one. Maybe we'll catch it on video.
That'd be sick.
Oh, we're driving.
So we cut
That
it
was
now.
it.
We cut it now that a firework just fell in. Alright, y'all. So basically, we're out in the boondies. We're out in Point Lookout.
We're out in the freaking crop circles. Look at it.
Oh.
I think in my house. Let's go put them in my fucking mailbox.
Yeah? Take all the fucking mail out. Say.
Nah, mail in there. Like, goddamn progressive needs to stop sending me all that shit.
Yeah, he's not doing. Get it going, Scape! Ah! Get it going! We got Scapule Sir Sarsaparilla bottle. You already started it! That was kind of weak. That was fast. I feel like
You gotta
these-
get the bigger ones. There's like 200 strips or like the bigger ones.
I got 100
Like,
strip.
some didn't pop, huh?
I got 100. Nah, they probably all pop. But
Yeah, they're
that was fast.
There's probably like a Cheeto bag and there's like nothing down the middle. Hey, which one did you say you went to?
Get all these flies out of my car!
Let's just pop them all.
Ow! Go on, get that shit, bitch. Oh no, wait. Fuck it, huh? Get it, bro. I got a perfect ass shot right now of you sparking it. Oh,
Oh, I'm gonna knock it off.
was sick. So,
Ready?
yeah. Ooh. Let's see. Oh, that was sick. Escape those, son. Got a green one. Wow, damn, that one hella high.
Yeah. This is gonna burn it probably, bro, and knock it off. You sure you're gonna do that?
Give me it. Alright, guys, enjoy. Woo! That was sick. That was sick.
Show the camera was burned, bro. Look at the screen.